Baby Wafumile comes home and is welcomed by his big sister Kawe with a beautiful nursery. Nangaba meets the baby and makes comments about how different the nose is. Tume also confirms that hi, this nose looks exactly like Ligamva's one. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zolega is discharged from hospital. She comes home with her baby boy. And her big sister is waiting for them, welcoming them warmly. And then they had a surprise for Uzoleka. Apparently, they set up a beautiful nursery for the baby. Well, daddy provided the credit card, and big sister did the whole planning and design. It looks so beautiful. Zolega is happy about the nursery and how beautiful it looks. She was really surprised and happy, saying that it looks perfect. And then, Hlati is still obsessing over this baby thing. I think into Zola kunenkwenkwe is not taking it well. Uze nje wathi ulikamva hawu tata. Why is this obsession abantwana? Because now he was now suggesting ukuthi ulikamva needs to have grandchildren, yena ufuna abazukulu. And then Hlati decided, you know what, let me just shut this conversation by giving ulikamva a car. Offered him the keys and said, this is now your car, I'm going to buy a new car kaloku. Angasavuyanga ulikamva. And then uthandeka uthumeka kuba has Hlati said anything about his suspicions about Zolega's baby? Kuthi ngenzeka mhlambe is the father. Uthumeka is like, but no, Hlati has never said anything to me because Thandeka uyajampisa ukuba obviously it's something that Hlati mentioned because obviously she's married to the brother, so they just spoke about it. But Utume was like, no, he hasn't said anything. This is so convenient because it happened exactly soon after they divorced. So nje, there are suspicions. And then Nceba arrives kwaZolega to see the baby and saying he's just so proud of his brother, of how beautiful fatherhood looks on him. And then Tumega arrives. Mafika Tumega ati I'm introduced uZolega ukuthi hey Nceba, this is my sister Tumtum. At all, so lo Tumega lo, implying that she knows or she has heard bad things about her, obviously, because Zolega has obviously told her ukuthi Tumega is the one that's married to ex-husband yakhe uHlati. And then Nceba meets the baby. And when she picks the baby up, she makes comments about how different the nose looks, saying that this is the first time seeing a nose like this, man. Hey, bangasabheki phansi Zolega no Lazarus. And then Tumega makes things worse by going on about how the nose looks exactly like Likamva's nose when he was a baby. Azathi uNceba, who is Likamva? Athi uLikamva unyana wami, Likamva is my son. So that makes sense because of the Pikicha family. And then Zolega realized Tumega is going on and on about this nose looking like Likamva's one and decides, let me just take my baby. Because now Lazarus is now feeling uncomfortable. Because mind you, only these two know the truth. No one else does. So everything is a trigger to them. People are going to end up noticing. And then Ukawe, after all this time, she's still mad at Mawetu or still wants no relationship with him or whatsoever. Umawet has been trying to reach out so bad, but Ukawa keeps on just giving him a cold shoulder, saying, let's just keep things professional. Ukawa hates Mawet to a point that she's even rooting for Linda to get the CIO position, knowing exactly what obviously Mawet might be a better fit for the position, going on about how she's going to put in a good word for Linda. Forgetting Zolega is very professional, she's not going to take her word for it. She's definitely going to look at the person that really deserves the job. Hey, Zondo now. Zondo is planning to after that they're gonna buy a house in KZN by the beach. He's probably planning after they rob Capital Bank, they're gonna take the money and vanish and move to KZN. Manje they're involving this kid Utsaki. Udice is making Sydney see in this thing of involving abantwana. This kid might just sell on us, just accumulate information. So it's not a good idea. Sydney realizes, hi man, this is not a good idea. And then they start to cut her off. But Ramazan can see something is off. I hope she's the one that's going to expose them. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.